Good morning, my dear children. Yesterday we have started, that is, we have finished for the phrasal verbs. But today we are going to go for idioms. What are idioms? An idiom or an idiomatic expression is an expression or a phrase that has a meaning different from the literal meaning of the expression's individual elements. So, idioms do not mean exactly what the words say. Here, idioms means what they say we don't. It is not exactly that meaning. They have some hidden meaning inside it. The use of idioms makes the language appear effective and interesting. Now over here it is said that the idioms makes the language appear very effective as well as interesting. See the meanings over here as well, the idioms as well as the meaning. Spill the beans. What does spill the bean mean? It means to reveal a secret. To reveal a secret. Sail through. It means to be successful in doing something without much difficulty. Are you understanding? Spill the bean means to reveal a secret, to know the secret. Sail through means to be successful in doing something without much or any difficulty. Don't let the grass grow under your feet. It means don't delay in getting something done. This idiom, don't let the grass grow under your feet, it means that don't delay in getting something else done. Do it fast. Don't delay it. In the same boat, it means to be in the same unpleasant situation as other people. Keep an eye. It means to watch over attentively, to look over very carefully. Let's see again the definition. An idiom is a phrase or expression that typically presents a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the phrase, but some phrases become figurative idioms while retaining the literal meaning of the phrase. Categorized as formulaic language, an idiom's figurative meaning is different from the literal meaning. Here, just here. Back to the drawing board. What does that mean? When an attempt fails and it's time to start all over. Back to drawing board means when you have failed some attempt, now it's time to start. Ball is in your court. What does that mean? Ball is in your court means it is up to you to make the next decision or step. Barking up the wrong tree. These are the idioms and the meanings are given to you. Look in the wrong place, accusing the wrong person. Be glad to see back off. It means be happy when a person leaves. Beat around the bush. Avoiding the main topic, not speaking directly about the issue. Best of both worlds. It means all the advantages. Best thing since sliced bread. A good invention or innovation. A good idea or plan. Bite off more than you can chew. To take on a task that is way too big. Blessing in disguise. Something good that isn't recognized at first. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night, alluding to the time before electric lighting. Can't judge a book by its cover. It means cannot judge something primarily on appearance. Don't think that this girl or this boy is very good in looking. No. But the inner part should also be good. Caught between two stools. That means when someone finds it difficult to choose between the two alternatives. Over here is telling caught between two stools means someone is finding difficult which one to choose, this one or that one. Don't give up the day job. It means you are not very good at something. You could definitely not do professionally. Here is saying don't give up the day job means you are not good at anything, something. You could definitely do it, something professionally. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means do not put all your resources in one possibility. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means don't put all your things or resources or something in one way or in one possibility that you think that this will be done. Drastic times call for drastic. Drastic means something very bad to do. Means when you're extremely desperate, you need not to take drastic actions, means some wrong actions. Elvis has left the building. Means the show has come to an end. It's all over. Someone has left the building, you say, that means the show has come to an end. It's all over. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means be optimistic. Even difficult times will lead to better days. One or the other day, we will be out of all these difficulties. Difficult times will go away. Far cry from. Very different from. It means something very different. Feel a bit under the weather. It means feeling slightly ill, that I am not keeping well. Feel a bit under the weather, that means feeling slightly ill. So my dear children, this some more idioms I have removed from the Google. Even there are many, even you can search if you want. But try to search something more. Now here some there with the pictures, just see. Add insult to injury. That means here to act in a way that makes a bad or displeasing situation worse. All ears, listening intently, fully focused on awaiting an explanation. Barking up the wrong tree, looking in the wrong place, focusing the wrong people. Best around the bush, avoiding the main issue, not speaking directly about a topic. Bed of roses, an easy, comfortable situation, an easy life. Best of both worlds, to get all the advantages of two things at the same time. Bite of more than you can chew. To take a task that is way too big. Call it a day, to declare the end of the task. Can't judge a book by its cover, cannot judge something primary on appearance. Catnap, to have a short night's sleep. Couch potato, a lazy person. Cry over spilt, when you complain about a loss from the past. So my dear children, you have to write all these in your notebook, as well as you have to go through all these rules and regulations, whatever are given. Write all the definitions. I'll give you some worksheet. You have to solve it in your notebook.